The application of yoga is widespread. And this yoga DVD is about breaking down some of the preconceptions of what Hatha Yoga is, especially for people unfamiliar with Hatha Yoga. Just the design of this DVD with a black set breaks down some of the expectations that you might see with what yoga is supposed to look like. And in addition to being a practitioner of yoga, I've also been responsible for a yoga mat that entered a market years ago, a black yoga mat that broke down all the expectations of what a yoga mat was supposed to look like. The color, the weight, and everything about it was different. And yet, as people experienced something different, they started to stretch, let's say, a little bit into what they thought a yoga mat was supposed to be. And there was a lot of benefit in their experience of that particular yoga mat. And now you see thick black yoga mats everywhere. And this DVD is about the same thing, that we're trying to show a type of yoga that is not the expectation. This type of yoga is meant to be approachable for anyone. And the idea is to touch it, experience it, and develop your own intimacy, personal intimacy with the practice of yoga. So this system of yoga is about, let's say, expanding the possibilities for different types of people and different situations. And it really can be a very simple practice for one who has only 10 minutes a day to practice, or it can be a very complete practice for someone who's more serious about undertaking the practice of yoga as a lifestyle. And in that regard, there's many benefits to a yoga DVD like this, where you can approach it at whatever level you're at and apply yourself to it.